Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can find your PayPal username. Now, as you know guys, your PayPal username is an important part of your account. It's used to identify you when you make or receive payments, so it's important to keep it safe and secure. Now, the question is how you can find your PayPal username. It's actually simple. All you have to do guys, you just need to click on the gear in the top right. You can do the same steps on your iPhone or Android phone, and then it will take you guys to this page. Now what you need to do guys next, as you can see, it says here change name. This is your own name. You will find here your own name, your profile. You can also find here your email address. By the way, if you want to receive payments, your PayPal is going to be like you can always use your own email to receive payments, to send payments. You always give this email to someone, and then they will send you guys a payment to your PayPal. Okay, make sure it says here primary. I hope I pronounced this correctly. Now to get your PayPal username, this is it. As you can see, it says here paypal.me/ and this is your username. Okay, this is it. You can copy the whole thing and you can start giving this username to people, and then they will be able to recognize your account and send you money to your PayPal account. Okay, here as you can see, you can always check this by yourself, like you can change your address if you want. You will find a lot of information here, but you clicked because of the PayPal address, PayPal username. This is your PayPal username guys. Okay, hopefully this video guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.